Hello everyone, this is Namrata. I'm the founder of the Illuminating Zone. I'm a clinical hypnotherapist, psychologist, a tarot reader, and I have been practicing a few other modalities along with it for almost a decade now. So in this video, I'm going to share hypnotherapy, its benefits, and a few myths associated with hypnotherapy. So usually when clients come to me, they are like, will you be able to bring us back out of hypnosis? Many a times people have this fear that if they are going to undergo a hypnotic state, what if they get stuck over there? So the reality over here is you are physically present in this situation. What is actually traveling is just your mind. So it's not even your mind basically what is traveling. It's just that we take you back in time with you physically being present in the present moment. So it is a part of your mind that is revisiting, doing the hypnotherapeutic work and coming back. So if as a therapist we are trained to put you under hypnosis to explore the depths of the subconscious mind, and we are also very well trained to bring you back out of that hypnotic state. So our job as a therapist is not just to induce hypnosis but also be very much skillful at bringing a person back out of hypnosis. Another myth that I usually come across is people telling me, oh, I'm so scared to look into your eyes. Will you just hypnotize me by looking into my eyes? Or do you use this pendulum thing to induce hypnosis? So definitely this is not how hypnosis works. We have a proper technique that we utilize for inducing a person into hypnosis. So it's all about, having verbal guidelines, suggestions, inductions, progressive relaxation, and a few other techniques combined together to which the client responds, and together inductions of the therapist, the responses of the client, the way client is responding back, and depending upon it, the therapist can further tweak the suggestions or the script that he or she has to utilize. Many people have this very common belief system that if they undergo a state of hypnosis, they might not remember what has happened. There will be complete amnesia regarding the events that they will see in a hypnotic state. So this is definitely not true. Yes, to some extent, there are a few people who have been into a hypnotic state several times might experience good amount of amnesia of the content that we are working upon in the therapeutic session. But generally, most of the people remember everything that has happened in a session. A hypnotic state does involve the memories of whatever is being done in the session. You as a client forgetting everything about the processes that are occurring in the session is not hypnosis. It is very important to know that when you are in a hypnotic state, it is just a part of your conscious mind that gives the control to the subconscious mind for the therapeutic work. So for instance, if your conscious mind is 100%, so you can say 10%, 20%, 25%, 30% of your conscious mind has given up the control to the subconscious mind, and the other part of the conscious mind is still aware of the events, activities happening around in your surroundings.